platform known as Optimum Manufacturing AI, which is powered by Site Machine, is the tool that we are now rolling out into this Industry 4.0 space. It's picking up a lot of data from various sources, sources that previously weren't necessarily compatible with a single platform. It uses things called APIs to convert that data. The key difference between this type of platform and manual data collection and putting into other types of systems is the system refines and contextualizes the data as it goes. This is a big step forward. Because we're moving into more of a holistic solution, we have to understand our customers a lot more. We get a lot closer to understanding what they're doing, how they're doing it, what their current plans are, what their future plans are, to ensure that compatibility with today and tomorrow, but also to ensure that our solutions from a holistic perspective really tick all the boxes and add the maximum amount of value. The future really is understanding the value of your flexibility and offsetting that against the value, if you like, of slowing down or decreasing or moving different production times. A good example is through education of when peak charges are. A lot of our customers move things like lunch breaks and shift changes to coincide with minimising their energy use at those peak demand times. It's simple measures like that that are making a big difference and reducing costs significantly for the switched on manufacturers.